Alright, what's going on, Forex killers? I was just going to do this quick update. I'm actually working. I was going to do it this afternoon, but market seems to be making a move fresh first thing this morning, so I thought, well, I better get it out. So starting here on the euro dollar, I posted this count last week. I just thought I'd have a bit of fun with it and put it on a count, which I don't generally do, but just giving some projection. So look, the fourth, was potentially in here, but I said I'm expecting another. That was just when I drew it, but I said I'm expecting another low, or on DXY another high, and that's what we ended up getting. In what was it, New York last session. So, there's a potential that wave is done now, right? We've bounced off the 12-hour EL, right, and that's our three-wave regular flat that's in, all right? So that's a potential and something that, if you're trading EU, you should be watching. Plenty of great trades last week, something like 400 plus pips last week in the Forex Killers Discord. So if you're not in there, jump in. All right, so we'll go to DXY. So yeah, this is the count that I had on DXY. So just running, just charting how we could account that to have that as a three wave. I said we had all this liquidity, so I was expecting one more hit. So you sort of see the liquidity through there, all in that range, right? So then we got that spike up. That's not to say it couldn't go again. It absolutely could go again, but it also could be done here. So either or. I'm rushing through this. I do have things to do. So I'm going to rush through this. Yamcha, you were looking at CJ. So you posted a chart. I can definitely see it rolling over as well, but the trouble is that UJ doesn't look like it's going to roll over, so that's not to say that we can't see UCAD pump, which I actually do think it is, so that would mean that CJ could go down and UJ could go up, right? So, but they're essentially just going for this three wave, right? That's why we took the trade down here. I've still got a position in there, still at least looking for it, to do that. All right, so we're looking in that zone somewhere. I think you had something like that as well. So anywhere above these tops really, but 1-to-1, looking at 106 would be pretty nice. Maybe an old EL through there. I'll have a look. But yeah, 106 would be nice, and then we get that rollover. It is still in that downtrend. You got hidden bear there, tagged the low, had the pump. So that would make a lot of sense on that. I'll show you UJ. Well, I don't think UJ's going down. What should I zoom out to? 3-day. All right, so UJ. All right, we've got this big impulse up. All right. Here's the correction here. Right. And now we're on to the next wave, right? That's our three-wave correction. You see the hidden bull, right? So we are looking at making another move up, right, from technical analysis standpoint. This is the higher time frame, so the BOJ doing different things could change things, but at the minute that's what I'm looking at, right? So that's correction finished there, taking liquidity under the low, right? Absolutely could do something else. 3, we got 1, 2, 3, and then we could come down for 5, right, on a bigger correction. So 1, 2, 3, right, 1, 2, 3, take the high. Come down, some sort of corrective thing like down there, and then up again. So, this is looking like far out projections, right? So, but there's just something to keep in mind. But what I'm kind of looking at is that's a correction and making the next move up, and in that sense, that's where I'm looking at this going. Right. Whoopsies. Exit. Delete. Whoop. That's where I'm looking at this doing that. There's a fourth wave correction there. All right, there's 5 waves. All right. And now it's What did I have on that? Yeah, oh no, actually it'll be the bigger correction. Yeah, I was thinking about another one. That's what I'm looking at. What am I doing? Could be that though. Funnily enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the 3-wave down, right? And that's the flat correction, and then we're going up. So that's a big leg up, right? Right, something comparable to this leg. So that was what I was looking for. I actually, unfortunately, got stopped out on my second position. I got my 100 pips, and then my second position. Right, because we got this one, same as you, as CJ. Right, I was just going for this trade. Right, boom. But my second position actually got stopped out overnight on Thursday night, maybe New York. Because I ended up getting in around here, so I just put it at break even, and it literally came down about 2 pips, just stopped out break even. So that really sucked. I woke up and went, oh no, that's a bummer. Because I actually looked at it and I thought, oh well, I'm gonna actually move the stop below here, because I was actually going for, a potential 1,000 pips, right? If that was the correction in there, then and I'll still look for it, but I was going for up here, right? Look at that, more 2,000 potentially. Anyway, so I'm gonna be following UJ on that, absolutely. I think that might do it. I'll have a quick look at AU. Oh no, it was GA, wasn't it? That's it. I mean, look, quick look on AU because I'm here now. Still got it going up, right? It's just messing around, but look, there you go. There's the 3-wave down there. Boom. Tag the old EL here. All right, 1276. It looks like it's going up. All right, we're in an uptrend, so we're just looking for RSI trend lines to break, like this one on the 1 hour. Right, look for the higher time frame though, 4 hour or 2 hour rather. So that's just broken. Right, a lot of them have broken. It's not to say they can't come down. We know they can, but we're looking for, like there's the 4 hour break back here. Right, and then we trended on down. But now you see the hidden bullish divergence, right? So take that into consideration. All right. No, I've just lost my pen. Let me pause this. Oh, that was a mission. All right, I'm back. GA. This will be the last one. So GA, what a move. It was an awesome trade. Caught this, to the pip. Right, to the pip. We haven't got pip to pip yet, but we got, that 300 pip trade. Let me move out of the way. 300 pips. So 3 positions, 100, 200, and 300 pip targets all landed. What am I looking for now? All right. I am looking for one more top. I gotta admit. I got an entry back down here. I just put that at break even, so I'm stopped out. Break even. What I'm looking for here, okay, is this. Right, with that liquidity above that, so I'm looking for this. Right, there's our expansion leg low. Up for one more high, not that high, and then down. All right, and that's because there's going to be more liquidity up there, ready to be taken. I'll look for the other indicators, right, on whether we're going to get that or not. Again, wave by wave, it doesn't have to go there. But you see, we only just barely took that top with the one time, and they're not really going to let the traders keep that sell from this high here, in my opinion. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to take the long as well if we get a good entry down here at this level here where I've got this alert set, and we'll take it from there. So that's a massive trade to the downside. That'll be a big move. All right, that'll be a big move. It doesn't have to go all the way down here, but at some point it will. So we'll see how that goes. All right, I'll get this out.